welcome to the channel. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. The big question of the day is, when can I invest in Ethereum or Bitcoin? What is the answer to this? Is there an easy answer? Well, there isn't no easy answer to this. Why? Because even if I give you the answer that portrays the moment, it could all of a sudden have a change. What do I mean by that? Look here at the historical pricing on a daily basis of Ethereum, and you can see how it fluctuates every day. You can see what the open was of the day, the high was of the day, the low, and the close. And you can see there and get a better picture of the actual movement, the how much volume was moved, and what the market cap of Ethereum was. How does this benefit me? Well, it only benefits you if you start taking statistics down, if you start writing it down and you see it for yourself. But here you can see it for every day pretty much until, well, you can load more up here. I don't know how far it goes. I'm guessing it will go at least 3 months back, if not further. But what does this do for you? It shows you the difference if you start to make some type of command to see what the price fluctuation is on a daily basis. You can have a better way of investing, knowing what the average return is on a daily basis. Let's say it's 5% on a daily basis. Then you're in to get 5% on a daily basis. 5% on $1,000 is $50 on a daily basis. 5% on 100,000 is how much? Is 5,000. And that's not bad on a daily basis, right? But can you imagine if you had 1,000,000? Instead of 5,000, now it's 50,000 on a daily basis. And these are numbers that are easy to mention, but what I'm trying to get at here is, if you have statistics, you can develop a plan to see how much is being made. Is it best to jump in the day before? Is it best to jump in on a Monday or a Sunday or a Saturday? And this right here will give you an idea of how to do that. Let's say if the open was at 19, let's just go back to one of the lower ones down here. Well, 1786 was the lowest. And all of a sudden you're in right then and there, which I said I would get at 1780-ish. And that was the point to get in, 1780. And the day before that, it hit, not that opening, but it hit the day before that. And getting in right now, back then at that point on July 20th, which was 3 days ago, I would have had over $200, $270 in returns. Isn't that amazing? That's very good, right? But how do you know? There's no way of knowing this except keep statistics. And the reason that you keep the statistics is so that you can get a better return from whatever your investment is. Are you always going to be right? No, you're not always going to be right. But following the statistics on any of these coins will assist you with making a better plan. And having a plan is the best plan you can have. No plan means you will get the worst of whatever comes your way, because you're just winging it. And when you're winging it, you can go any which way and it doesn't matter. That's not right. Or is that what you really want? Now let's take a look here at the chart of Ethereum. Ethereum has been moving upward, just like many of the other stocks. When it hit its lows into the 70-ish range. Whoops, I have Ethereum up here, Safe Moon up here. Let me just get Ethereum. And as it pulls up here, you will see the chart that Ethereum had about 3 or 4 days ago reached its low, currently low right here, which was 1715. Now it's up to 2060, almost $300 gain right there. How much of a percentage is that? I'd say it's close to about 20% or so. 1715 times 2 is 34. Yep. So that would be 20% gain. That's not bad for those of you who jumped in. Even at 1780, it would have been close to that 20% gain. That was my goal. I didn't know that it was going to go to 1717. Also, although people were expecting it to go further down, I don't look to get the bottom. If I get it, great. If I get it, that's very, very good. But if I don't, at least I'm not in there winging it, waiting to see what's going to happen. Now let's look at SafeMoon. SafeMoon has dropped. A lot of people were sold specific promises. I have told people to be very careful that these IPOs, these ICO, these coins that are micro coins are highly volatile, and that if you were to invest, why don't you pick 10 of them and put $100 in each and see where it goes. Right now, SafeMoon is very, very low. It's a good time to invest in for the price. However, is it going to go up? You bet it will eventually go up. It could take 20, 30 years. I don't know. However, the longer you hold, the better of a chance you have to make more solid returns. Some people are in it just for the day because they want returns instantly. Well, let me know. This is a big question for you. What business out there is easy? They all are ugly. They all have some time of ups and sometimes of downs. And these downs can make you stronger, can make you more prepared for the weather for the next time around. So get used to seeing that a lot of these coins will drop and then they'll come back up. But as we look back at Ethereum, I just want to go back to Ethereum and show you that news is king. Whoever has the most current news is the one that has the better opportunity to invest. I've seen stocks when I started, I've seen stocks go from very low, like at $1 rate, all the way to up to 100, and that was beyond. Beyond Meats is amazing, but I didn't realize that that was going to happen. Who would have? It's hard to predict how far these stocks are going to go. That's a rare opportunity. They happen once in a blue moon, and you've got to be prepared. Just investing $100 at $1 and it goes up 100 times, then you, from your $100, you make $10,000, and that's not terrible. That's not a terrible investment. That's pretty good. So here's the Ethereum chart. You can see back here, back on December 20th, 2020, it was down at 400 or 600 range, and it went up in May. I believe this is what it was, May 12th of to 4,200. Now it's back down to half. Will this continue to go up or not? There is a small possibility that it will continue to go up. I believe it's going to go down a little bit more because we're still in the middle of summer and a lot of people are still away. I don't think that they're going to concentrate all their efforts when they're on vacation on investing. And that's one of the reasons why I believe that. Is there negative news out there? Well, there's pending negative news, and that news can shift the markets. But the most exciting news that we've had and that has moved the markets is the B word. Did you get a chance to listen to the B word? Did you get a chance to listen to Elon Musk, to Kathy Wood, and a lot of the other experts in the industry? If you didn't, I'd say look up thebword.org and take a look at the podcast, the video recordings that are on there, and those are very insightful. There's information in there that will teach you where to look for statistics and so on, and other methods of getting your information, because it's very important to be informed in your business. If this is if you're serious about making this your business, if you're not, then just move forward, because trying to multitask, trying to make a lot of things happen will get you to have nothing happening. Well, this is Bitmart software, and this is probably the first time that I'm showing this in a while. And this software here has I believe it has a stop loss here when you go in and you put a price. Let me just check. Well, but anyhow, if you need to learn more about this software is also pretty good. It allows you um, to have a variety of investments. I believe I have BMX, which is the Bitmart coin, and I'm invested in this one. I don't have a lot, but I have 1,739 BMX, which is equivalent. I don't know what it's equivalent to, but this allows me to pay through here, through Bitmart, at a cheaper rate than it would be paying with Bitcoin or Ethereum and so on. I like this software. It's not the greatest, but it's a software that has a lot of opportunity to expand and a lot of coins that are being added regularly. Safe Moon is one of them, and Safe Moon, I have it for long-term holding. I don't I don't think I have more than 500 bucks in here, but I am holding this for long term. You can see down here it says I have 145 million Safe Moon coins, but they are undervalued right now. I know I'm at a loss. That this is the only question about this software, is that it doesn't show you all the information right away. You'd have to go into assets, and right there you can see that how it popped up here. It says assets right in here. And you go in here, and that's where it shows you all your assets. You can see it there, the blank screen, and that blank screen will get you all the information. If you click down here on the left where it says BTC, you can just reorder the coins, and it should pop up. Oh, yep, there it is. I might have clicked it too many times. And these are some of the coins that I'm invested in. I don't have a lot. It's minimal. And these software, I keep them open because you never know when you have to shift from one software to another. And it's good to keep your options open, because that's just the reality. We don't know when things are going to shift. Where can I invest $1,000 right now and enjoy the process? Where? There is no safe answer, but there, as I've been telling people, is that I like the major coins: Ethereum, Bitcoin. I like Matic, Polygon. I like EOS, Dogecoin, and there are a few others. But if I had to pick one of them right now, I'd pick Ethereum. Ethereum is the best choice for me right now. I believe Ethereum in the long term is gonna head to 25 to 50,000, just like Bitcoin has, and it's going to maintain up there. Why am I saying this? Because I believe the sentiment of the people is moving forward to another coin. What's the next hot coin? And Dogecoin will go up to at least $3 to $10. It was going to happen. It is going to happen. It's going to be an investment tool for a lot of corporations out there, and you are to benefit from it if you're invested in it. This is CEO Trades. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you do care, share this channel with other people so that we can grow together as a family and we can learn about investing together. Have a great one this weekend, and until Monday, probably, I'll talk to you then.